Unlock the power of your Agile workflow by mastering the art of creating a robust backlog in Jira. First, navigate to your Jira project if you don't have one yet. You'll need to create a new project. Selecting an Agile template like Scrum or Kanban, this will automatically set up your issue types and boards. Once in your project, locate the Create button, typically in the top navigation bar. Clicking this will open a dialog box for creating a new Jira issue. For your backlog, the most common and essential issue type is a story. This represents a piece of functionality from the user's perspective, so select Story from the Issue Type drop-down. In the Summary field, write a concise and clear description of the feature. A great way to do this is using the user story format as a type of user. I want an action so that a benefit. Next, in the Description field, add more detail. This is where you can outline acceptance criteria, which are the conditions that must be met for the story to be considered complete. Use bullet points for clarity. Now, let's talk about organizing. Use the Priority field to indicate the importance of this backlog item. Lower numbers or higher levels typically mean higher priority. You can also add labels for categorization, like front-end, back-end, or UI, and assign it to a team member if appropriate. After creating your first few backlog items, you'll see them appear in your Backlog View. This is your central repository for all upcoming work. The real magic happens when you start prioritizing. Simply drag and drop your stories within the backlog to reorder them based on business value and urgency. The items at the top of the backlog are what your team will focus on next. When it's time to plan a sprint, you'll select the high-priority items from the top of your backlog and drag them into an active sprint. This ensures your team is always working on the most valuable tasks. By consistently refining and prioritizing your backlog, you'll create a transparent and efficient development process, ensuring your team delivers value effectively. Start building your backlog today.